Welcome! In this introductory tutorial, we will be going over a few basics in Photoshop. We will be talking about the Content-Aware Fill, the Magic Wand tool, the Gradient tool, and the Clone Stamp tool. This tutorial will teach you the benefits of each of these tools and how to use them. Here's a brief overview of what each tool does. The Content-Aware Fill is used to remove an area from an image. The Magic Wand tool is used to select pixels based on tone and color. The Gradient tool is used to blend multiple colors gradually. The Clone Stamp tool works like a brush tool that copies and pastes elements in a photograph. First, we'll be taking a look at the Content-Aware Fill. But before that, we need to open an image that we would like to edit. You can do this by clicking on File, Open, and selecting the image that you would like to edit. Now that we have the image open, we need to decide which area of the image we would like to fill with the background. In this picture of the sunset, we are going to select this bush and replace it with the color of the background. To select the area, we're going to use the lasso tool. The lasso tool can be found on the left side in the toolbar, or you can press L on your keyboard to select it. Once we have the lasso tool selected, we are going to draw a shape around the object that we would like to remove. Once you have the area selected, go to Edit, Fill, and select Content Aware from the contents. Click OK, and as you can see, the bush is now gone. Right-click on your mouse and click Deselect. As you can see, the bush is now gone, and we use the Content Aware Fill to do that. Next, we're going to take a look at the Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand tool is unique because it selects adjacent pixels that share the same tone and color. Once we have the pixels selected, we can manipulate them in different ways. For this tutorial, we will be changing the color of the mountain. The Magic Wand tool is located within the Quick Selection tool. You hold on to it and select the Magic Wand tool. Once you have the Magic Wand tool selected, click on the object that you would like to replace the color of. As you can see, all the black pixels of the mountain are now selected. Now go to Edit, Fill, Color, and select a dark tone of gray. Press OK. As you can see, the mountain is now gray. Right-click and click on Deselect. Next, we'll be using the Gradient tool, which is used to blend multiple colors gradually. These colors can be chosen from a preset, or a custom swatch can be created. The Gradient tool allows customization of properties like transparency, roughness, noise, and others. This makes it a very versatile tool. Let's take a look at how to use the Gradient tool. First, select the desired area that you would like to fill with a gradient. Since I already have the Magic Wand tool selected, I'm just going to click on the mountain again. We're going to add a gradient to this mountain. Once you have the Gradient tool selected, you can change the color of the gradient from the top menu. For this tutorial, we will be filling the mountain in with a black and white gradient. Once you're happy with the color selection, press OK. Click and drag the mouse in the direction of the gradient that you would like. The point where you click will be the starting point of the gradient, whereas when you let go of the mouse, that will be the end point of the gradient. As you can see, there is now a white bar at the bottom of the gradient. Finally, let's take a look at the Clone Stamp tool. The Clone Stamp tool works like a brush tool that copies and pastes elements in an image. The tool is mainly used for pasting textures or backgrounds over irregular shapes, but can also be used to replicate images, although with less precision than other copying tools. To start, choose the Clone Stamp tool from the left toolbar. You can also press S on your keyboard to select the Clone Stamp tool. While holding the Alt key, click on a spot on the image. We are going to use the Clone Stamp tool to lower the height of the mountain. Simply start painting, and as you can see, the ridgeline is now much lower than the initial image. You can increase the brush size from the top menu. I'm going to use the spot healing tool to fill in the gaps of the image. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day and enjoy your new skills in Photoshop.